Today is Splash Day.
Splash Day.
Oh. I gotta clean this boat out. I keep finding little washers and shit everywhere. Just moved a line and a washer goes sliding down almost into the bilge, which I also have to clean out. This is the that's the back of the instrument panel in the cockpit. Where can I hang this light? Where would I put that little nut? Oh shit. I bet that was for this switch. Let's not knock our tools into the freaking bilge. Ah! Alright. I'm guessing the black is ground, yes. Black is ground. Alright. Where'd it go? There it is. Ooh, it's hot down here. And then this attached to the ignition. Man, they make this difficult. That's on there. Alright, let's try to get out of here. That wasn't too bad. Now we connect the batteries. Oh, that's one. Lead. Lead is heavy. Port to starboard 1, 2. Who's texting me? Boat needs a cleaning. This is 1. So 2 goes in. 1. And man, those are freaking heavy. Battery switch is off. Bilge pump is off. Weirdly timed beep is something else. So battery 1. Hand tight for now. Alright. Battery 2. Alright, batteries are connected. These do not go in the bilge. Where's the thing? That felt good. Do not lose that. Do not lose that. That's cool. And now this O-ring is in good shape. So let's just close her up. I got the impeller changed. I bought oil. I bought antifreeze. Bilge pump is working. That's a good sign. I guess start her up. Ooh, I hear Alfonso is starting little boats already. I should have done this yesterday. Oh. Good. Let's light this candle. I keep thinking I have to open the raw water seacock, but that wouldn't do much good right now. Fuel pump is going. Fingers crossed, kids. That's what's supposed to happen. Alfonso! Hey, buddy! Give me 5 minutes! That's Alfonso, everybody. Hey, Alfonso! Hi! Yeah! Never put the prop zinc on. I'll have to put it on in the water. Looks like she floats. Doesn't look like there's a flood. That's a good sign. Gracias. Have a good summer, man. Yeah. Thank you. That's J-Doc. I passed up J-Doc. going. We are right on the line. Oil's done. Fill up the water. I think I've got half a gallon. Antifreeze, perfect. I'll fill the rest of that up with water. 50-50. And now we're good to go. Oh my god, I can go up and down the steps again. Wunderbar. Finito. I think that'll do it for the day. I am exhausted. Tomorrow I'm going to check what time high tide is. I'm going to put that zinc on. I'm going to have to dive. It's going to be a fun season. I'm really looking forward to this, and I'm really enjoying sharing this stuff. I've only put a couple videos online, and I've already got several subscribers, of course. One of those is my mom, one is Lynn. You know how that goes. But you know, I'm really excited about sharing this with anybody. I love sharing sailing with people. So that being said, you know, comment, you know, send me messages, or, you know, really comment on the YouTubes and you know, ask me questions or whatever. Let's start up a conversation, because it's kind of why I'm doing this. So yeah, I'm going to just kind of hang out in Inconceivable now. I'm going to stay on overnight, so I've got to clean up a little bit, but that was fun. And I can't believe some of the shit I forgot, but that's okay. And I just swore, sorry Mom. Okay, that's cool. It's a good day.
This is one of my favorite moments. Sunrise. Sitting in the cockpit. I don't have any fuel or coffee. I would have made coffee. I should have picked some up yesterday. That's unfortunate. Because that's the best thing on the boat, is waking up in the morning with a cup of coffee, sitting in the cockpit, watching the sunrise. I love it. Right? I took a little swim. Prop zinc is on. It's cold.
Done. All right, she's gonna be fine here for a few days till the transit. We go in a week. That's gonna be awesome. I can't wait to get to our new home. I'm gonna miss Miniford. Had a nice chat with Frank next door. He's out fishing with his family now. I love that. I love that there's all these families here that spend time on their boats. It reminds me of being a kid and growing up with a boating family. Anyway, she's good.